In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a relocation guide using Gamma AI 2026, step by step. We'll build a clean, professional relocation guide you can share as a PDF or a link. Start by heading to Gamma's website and selecting Generate with AI. This opens a fresh workspace where the tool can draft the outline and first pass for you. Use a clear, targeted prompt so Gamma knows exactly what to create. Paste something like, create a relocation guide for people moving to city/country. Include cost of living, housing, transportation, job opportunities, lifestyle, and tips for newcomers. If you already know your destination, add it directly. For example, create a relocation guide for people moving to Batangas, Philippines. You can also mention your audience, like families, students, or remote workers, to shape the tone. Once Gamma generates the draft, review the structure. You'll typically see sections such as a cover page, introduction, cost of living, housing options, transportation, lifestyle and culture, tips for new residents, and a conclusion. Tweak section titles and order so they match your audience's priorities. For instance, if commuters are your focus, move transportation earlier. Next, continue to have Gamma generate full content for each section. This gives you a solid starting point with headings and paragraphs you can refine. Now customize and localize. Add real examples to make the guide trustworthy. Typical rent price ranges for studios and 2 bedrooms, common commute options and average travel times, and local tips newcomers appreciate. For example, you might note that jeepneys and tricycles are widely used in certain Philippine cities. Verify details with recent sources so your guide stays accurate. Enhance the guide with visuals. Insert city photos, simple maps that show key neighborhoods, and lifestyle images that reflect daily life. Keep visuals consistent in style and avoid clutter so information remains easy to scan. Design matters too. Choose a professional theme, then adjust fonts, colors, and layout for readability. Use clear headings, enough white space, and a color palette that aligns with the city's vibe. Aim for the polish of a premium PDF guide. To make your guide stand out, add helpful extras, a brief pros and cons page, a sample monthly budget, a best areas to live overview, and a practical checklist before moving. Keep each one concise and actionable. Close with a call to action. On the last page, add a line like, "Need help planning your move? Let's connect," along with your contact and services. Finally, export and share. Click Share, then export. Choose PDF for a polished deliverable or copy a shareable link. Preview on desktop and mobile to ensure everything looks great.